What's going on, traders? Today we're going to be talking about RIOT on the stock ticker. This stock has a 15 million share float, so it's perfect. It's in our optimum of 30 million or below, so we know it can be very volatile at times. That's what we liked for those big profit moves, right? So we're going to be talking about the 15-minute chart. Now, I did look into this stock. I did not see any specific news that would have pushed this higher today. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments below, nicely if possible. Just go ahead and leave a link to an article or whatever the case may be. Feel free to leave any comments, but just keep them PG here, because I don't want to see the trolls around here when I'm trying to help you guys out. So it would be nice. Let's go ahead and start off with the technicals. Let's start our support and resistance. We got our resistance up here at 223, 224 about, we'll say 223. Now let's draw our support. We got a support here at 210. We can see two touches here, two touches here. Let's go ahead and draw our median. It's right about in the middle at about 216 about. Now let's go ahead and zoom in. I'm going to be watching this stock for a continuation bullish trade tomorrow. What I'm going to be looking for in the morning when I wake up is I want to see that bullish momentum to return, and this is the key level at 223. I want to see us break above 223. I'm going to have my alert set here so I know when that happens. Now when that does happen, I'm going to be watching it from there on out. What I want to see next is I want to see us come back down and retest off this 223. I'm not just going to hop in when my alert goes off of FOMO, right? I'm not going to do that. Don't do that, because a lot of the times it's going to come back down and it's going to go right back down here like that. So don't get caught in that. Wait for it to come, stop, stabilize, right? We want to see bullish reversal candles, big bullish candles, big buys. Watch level 2 so you know when that happens. Now, when you see all that confluence going on, you got multiple confirmations, and you see that recovery happening, and it's not pushing lower, it's only pushing higher. What I do is I have my order above that pullback point. That way when that momentum really kicks in, I don't miss it, and I ride it up to this next resistance, which would be up here at about $2.30. I'll sell 3/4 of my position up here, and then I'm going to watch to see what happens from there on out. Could be a repeat play just like here. It could come back down to this level. Regardless, I'll take 3/4 of my position, so I'm risk free in that trade. Of course, if it comes back down, that'll give me a lot more options just to sell that 1/4. If it goes higher, it gives me the option to add. So puts you in a good position no matter what. You obviously do what you want, but that's my strategy. I'm telling you, it works. That's one of my trading rules. It's absolutely key to have trading rules. Otherwise, you have nothing to go off of and you're pretty much going to fail. So another thing to take note of is we are above the VWAP here, so most buyers are above water. That's a good bullish outlook. We are sitting just above the moving average, so the average is that we are going to be moving higher, but that is to be determined. Now, for the people who are shorting or the people who want to learn about short, I know most people here aren't shorting, that's fine, but it's good to learn about it so at least you know. I'm personally not going to be shorting this stock tomorrow. There's not enough range for me, but I will be looking for this bullish play. But I do like to talk about what other shorts are going to be looking for. That way you guys know, you're prepared, and you can take them on, right? Bulls versus bears. So what we want to definitely watch out for is we want to see a break below this moving average here at 216. If you're shorting, obviously, you don't want to see that if you're going bullish, but I'm talking about if you're shorting it. If you are shorting it, what you would want to see is a break back below this median here, because most likely we're going to range probably inside this zone up until we do make a break either way. And just like up here, we wait to see if we come back to retest here off this 217. Now, one thing I want to mention is the VWAP is here, so this short play most likely is would get caught on the VWAP. A lot of times there is support found at the VWAP, so I just want to make sure that's clear. So just like up here, we'd wait for that break below this median, wait for it to come back up and retest up 216. If it does get rejected, if it doesn't recover, right, then only has one other direction to fail. And what happens is the momentum and the nervousness of the sellers pushes it lower. A lot of times, one thing I want to watch out for is this VWAP is going to come in here and it is going to find support off the VWAP. But if we do break below the VWAP, there's probably an 80% chance that we're going to break below this support level as well, right? Because breaking underneath the VWAP puts buyers under the water, and it's not a good thing overall if you're holding stock, if you're looking to go bullish. But if you look bearish, that's a good thing, if you're shorting or whatever the case might be. So again, if this does come up, retest gets rejected, the momentum's going to push us below the VWAP most likely. If we do not find support at the VWAP here at 212, it's going to push us most likely down to this support. Now I do want to make this clear. It could push us to this support and find support here as well. We don't know that for sure, but my prediction is that we're going to break, if we do break below the VWAP, is we're going to also break below this 210. Of course, that's if we don't go bullish, right? This is just the alternate reality we're talking about here. So this gives you options and it opens up your horizons a little bit. So just like I was saying, we want to watch out. If we do this play here happens, then we want to watch out for the repeat play, because this will be where the big short comes in. There's a lot more room to fall here rather than here where you have a lot of support. You got the VWAP, you got the basic support here. So now if that bearish momentum does return, then just like up here and right here, we wait to see if it gets either rejected off this resistance, or if it can recover. A lot of times it might recover, but if it does not, if it gets rejected, you see some bearish shooting stars, bearish hammers, whatever. You see a big sells on level 2. You see nothing but selling going on. Most likely that momentum is going to push us down to this next resistance way down here back at $2. So these are the moves I'd watch out for. Obviously, most people here are not shorting, and that's fine. You don't have to be shorting to at least know what people who are shorting are looking for. Now, if you're looking to go long, definitely watch this play, because that's what I'm going to be watching. So the big levels to watch out for are $2.23. Watch for that break above there. Watch for that retest. Hop on when you see that momentum go strong. That's what I'm going to be doing. Obviously, just work this into your own strategy, but this is basic. This is what real trading is. It's not following a bunch of indicators. It's keeping it simple, sticking to your plan, and following your rules. Now, the other level that I watch out for is $2.17. And obviously, if we do break below and move lower, the next level to watch would be 210. And if we do find support here, the next level to watch would be 216, right? It's a non-stop structure play. This is how you do it. This is how you trade. This is how you find the best opportunities. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit that like button, subscribe, click that bell notification, share it with your friends on Twitter, StockTwits, Facebook, everything. I appreciate it. And everybody have a wonderful day. Catch you later.